Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, guys. And if you need to find the relay for the rear window defroster, also known as Defogger, stay with us and we'll explain where it's located today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So you actually, guys, have three different fuse boxes in your Ford C-Max. One is under the hood, okay, in the passenger compartment, under the hood in the engine compartment. One is in the passenger side, under the glove box, behind the glove box. But the one that we'll be using today, it's actually, guys, in the trunk. Okay, we need to go to the third one. And that third one, okay, this is right here, the window defroster. If it's not working, I'll recommend to check the fuse and check the relay as well. If you need to test the relays or fuses, I'll put a link in the description of the video below for any of you guys, okay, that need help with that. So let me go ahead, okay, and show you now where those things are located and what to expect here. So what do we have specifically, guys? Right here is the fuse box. You open it, okay, like that. Now the relay that we need to check here, okay, it's known as relay number 2, guys. Relay number 2. And here, if you look, it's the second relay right there. Not the first one on the right side, the second relay. If you look at the diagram, okay, that's the diagram for a Ford C-Max. Check it out. Right here, that R2, that's the one, okay, for the rear window defroster. If you want to see where the fuse is located, we have the video on the channel. Also, if you need to buy relays for a good price and quick shipping, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.